If you're driving for Uber, you're not gonna make money if you're doing washer or food delivery. This is the all ways to make money with Uber. And I'm here to tell you this because a lot of people don't know. You can make $455 delivery package for Uber. So look at this one. It's gonna take you 2 hours, 24 minutes to complete. But let's say if you make that twice per day, that's way much money. Let's say, oh, it's not gonna be always $400 55. So let me show you this. You can earn $221. You look at this one, it take 2 hours 25 to complete. The other one I just showed you, that's the estimate time they're giving before you accept the order. But this one, look at this, 2 hours. This is what I'm here today to show you where to go to sign up for this type of order, because this one is not, you're not gonna see it pop up in your app. You need to sign up for it. Let me show you exactly where to go to get this type of order in your Uber app. Now let me show you exactly or to sign up for it to receive this type this type of order. You're gonna go ahead, open your Uber app. So after you open your Uber app, you're gonna go ahead, click three little bar in the top left corner. Those three little bar in the top left corner is gonna bring you a menu. From the menu, you're gonna scroll down in the bottom where you see account. You're gonna click in account. So after you click in account, and this is all the setting where all your information is. If you want to modify anything here or you want to update your personal information, you can do it right here, but that's, I'm gonna keep it for another video. And you're gonna click in the first one where you see work up, and after you click in work up, it's gonna bring you right here. From here you can sign up for any type of delivery you want to do. So it's the same thing too. If you want to turn it off, you can do it. It's gonna, you don't have to come here. So I'm gonna show you this in the next video or to do it. But from now, let me show you exactly or to sign up for Connect. You can see there's direct, and there's pay, shop and pay. That's a good one too. So let me show you how to sign up for once, and if you want to sign up for all the three, you can do it by yourself. So to sign up for Connect, you're gonna click in add. After you click in add, you're gonna say deliver packages with Connect. So after you read those paragraph right here, you're just gonna click continue. Now you need to read the terms and conditions. So all the agreement paper is right here. If you don't want to download them, you can do it. Put it in your phone, put it somewhere. It's up to you. Make sure you read before you sign anything. I always say that don't sign before you read, you understand. Make sure you read, and after that, after you finish read, just say yes, I agree. After you say yes, I agree, they will ask you to confirm, and if you want to go back, you can always go back, but right now you just confirm everything. After you click confirm, they're gonna say thanks for turning on Uber Connect. When we finish review your document, you will start receiving strip requests. This is all you sign up for Connect, and after that they're gonna ask after you finish with this, you just click OK, and this is all you in. So for some time they're gonna take some time to review it, but it's not gonna take too long. If your background check is good, everything is up to date, it is not that much thing they're gonna do, you know what I'm saying? So now you are ready to receive this type of delivery from Connect. So you're gonna start seeing those type of delivery like 400, 200, $100. They're gonna offer you to delivery, and is, I'm telling you, is worth it to do it. So it's the same thing you're gonna do if you want to add all three rest that you saw. So if you want to add them, that's the same process you're gonna do. You just add them. If you want to turn it off, I'm gonna come with another video to show you exactly how to do that. But so far, if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below, and see you in the next video. Peace.